Hello YouTube lovers, welcome back to another video. In today's video guys, we'll be talking about how to get your man obsessed with you even after years of dating, because why not? I'm going to teach you what to do to get this man chasing you, running after you every day, and how to do it like a professional. Let's get into the video. The number one on this list, which is the most important, is attraction. Here, I mean the physical appearance, the personality, and the spice. Let's talk about these two ladies here, Sandra and Anita. Sandra is in a relationship of 5 years with a wealthy man, but she is also a businesswoman. She does not depend on her boyfriend for everything. Even though her man is rich enough to take care of her, she still wants to be independent. She still wants to build herself. She is not sitting in one place looking for drama. She's always about her business, always about personal development. Her man loves her and spends on her because he doesn't want to lose her. She dresses well. She smells good. Her hair is always on fleek. She takes good care of herself. Even though she has this man that can give her everything, she still works. Anita, on the other hand, is also in a relationship of 5 years and her partner is also wealthy. But guess what? She doesn't do anything. She is always at home, dropped out of college because she feels she's got a man that can give her everything. She depends completely on this man for her lashes, for her nails, her hair, for her upkeep. Everything is on this man. She does not work to have her own money anymore. She don't care about herself. Her wardrobe is something else. She does not dress well because she feels she already have a man, so no need to take care of herself. That is her own way of thinking. That is her own way of life. Her personality sucks, always complaining. She's just the opposite of Sandra. And that behavior is unattractive to men. Whether your boyfriend or your partner is rich, wealthy enough to take care of you, you still have to do something to keep up with yourself. You still have to keep doing things that makes you look more attractive to this man that you are dating. You want this man to be obsessed with you, running after you. What is it that he will be chasing? You need to give him something to chase. Give him reason to chase you. If you are always at his place, always lying down, always calling him, always messaging him, how is he going to miss you? How are you going to look attractive to him? When you are not working on yourself, you are just lying there being unproductive for no reason. How do you want him to be obsessed with you? How do you want him to chase you? This is the thing you need to understand. You need to give this man a reason to always want to be with you. Once you stop taking care of yourself, they will start looking outside. Once you drop yourself, they will see you finish and want to test something new outside. You want to spice up your relationship. You need to be creative. Change your hairstyle. Look good. Upgrade your wardrobe. Do something beautiful that will make this man always want you. Don't just lie down and expect him to be obsessed with you. Obsessed with what exactly? Go get your nails done. Take care of yourself. If you want this man to chase you, run after you, love you forever, believe me, there are things you need to put in order. Number two is this: be confident. Confidence is very sexy. It is an attractive way to get this man hooked with you forever. I'm telling you, be confident in yourself. Be confident in your skin. Believe in yourself. Don't be like anyone out there. Just be yourself. It makes you more attractive. When you are with this man, stop comparing yourself with other women, saying, "Oh, I want to be fat like this girl. I want to be skinny like this girl. I want to be thick and curvy and all that." Stop saying all that. You are one in a million. It's just for you to understand that. Have confidence in yourself. You are still that girl. Even though you've been dating this man for 10 years, 2 years, 5 years, and he has seen you finish, you can still wake up and rebrand yourself. I'm not saying you should wake up and start giving him attitude, but you can still get up and show up. Rebrand yourself. Your confidence makes you irresistible. Believe me, don't drop yourself because you've known a man for 10 years. He is not your brother. He's not. Don't just lie down and be like, oh, he's my boyfriend, we've been dating, he knows me in and out. I can't change, I can just be here. He is not your brother. Spice things up. If you don't want this man to leave you, if you want this man to be all over you, wanting you, show him that you are still that girl with confidence. If you know how powerful being confident makes you look, seriously, work on your self esteem. Men love confident women. Be confident. It makes you more attractive. It will make this man want to love you up, protect you, guide you, obsessed with you. Yes. Number three is this: cultivate your own hobby. Cultivating a hobby is a great way to relieve stress, not just for your man, not just for your relationship. I always tell you guys on this channel that no matter what, I will always have fun. I will always enjoy my life. I work almost all the time, but I still have hobbies that I can't let go because of relationship. I still have things that I enjoy doing. Having something that you are passionate about makes you an interesting person. And when you are interesting, men will be interested in you. You must be fun to be with. You must have something that anytime you think about it or you go for it, it makes you happy. In as much as you're interested in your man's life, don't forget to have your own life. Don't forget to have fun. Go outside and do something to come back and gist your partner. It helps to spice up the relationship. I don't like the idea of I am dating a man, I am moving in with him, I am living with him every day. It's not going to help you. It's not going to help that relationship. Except you both are content creators that create content every day together. Maybe. If not, honestly, go out and have fun. Have your own life. Let this man be alone sometimes and think about you. Let this man be alone sometimes and crave you. If you don't know what to do, go for swimming, take pictures, send to him, do something that brings you peace. Go out, go and have fun. It's not just about having a good shape, having a good body. Those are important as well. But when you have all these things, have something extra to top it so that this man will find it very difficult to leave you. You have something unique about you that you need to show this man. Just sit back in your room and think, what is that thing that I can do for this man to really want me? Okay, maybe I'll have to become more confident. Maybe I'm too childish, I'm too playful, I'm always with him, I'm always a call away and all that. Let me do something different. You understand? No matter how wealthy your boyfriend or your partner is, don't depend completely on him. Still have your own life. Tell him to start up a business for you. Save your money and start up a business for yourself. Cultivate your own hobbies. Become an interesting person. It makes you more attractive. This is all I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share with your friends, and comment your favorite tip down below. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah.